Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to share with you an effective timetable for NEET 2021. NEET 2021 just knocking at the door. So you have some times like the whole July month and the remaining days in June, because your examination will be held on 1st August. So you have roughly 45 days. So what to do the upcoming days? What is the effective routine for your upcoming days? So just let's start. First, I am here categorized into two types your routine. How? One is the weekdays and another one is the weekend, which is Sunday. Yes, Sunday is fun day, but for NEET 2021 preparation, it is the most effective day for your upcoming preparation or upcoming days. So, here is the three part. What is that? First, Monday to Saturday, you need to wake up from at 6 a.m. Okay? So, after waking up, you need to freshen up and then start meditate. How? From 6:15, just focus your mind, focus your brain and focus your aim. Okay? So from 6:15 you have to do the meditation. And also if you want, then you can do some freehand exercise. This part is very important to study in the whole day, because you will get energy in your mind and also in your body. Next is from 6:30 to 9 a.m. just study physics part. Many of the students have some fear about physics. So from the morning just start with fear. That is physics. Or if you have love for physics, then also start your day with your love. So from 6:30 to 9 a.m. you need to study physics. You can take the tough chapter in the morning or the easy chapter, because you have the flexible time, you have the flexible routine. Suppose Monday you can take the tough chapter of physics and Tuesday you can take the easy one. This is up to you. The next is 9:30 to 11:30, you just solve previous year questions. Or you can practice the MCQ from the chapter you have read. Okay? So this is the most important part, because many of you are preparing for NEET, studying for NEET, but do not practice. So if you do not practice, you have to face the question paper at that particular day. So you have to do it. You just have to do it. Okay? Next is from 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. you just read biology. So the biology carrying the maximum marks in NEET, right? So you have to give time more in biology. The strength is very important. So which is 180 questions, right? So the 90 questions for biology and the 45 for physics and 45 for chemistry. But the main or the much more strength of the questions from the biology. So in that time you just need read the NCERT and you have to give time for diagram analysis. Just open the book, just select one chapter, is it easy or tough, and then analyze the diagram. In the diagram pointing which is also shown. So just take 3, 4, 5, 6, what you have the capacity, just take the diagram and analyze the diagram. Okay, from the diagram many more questions will be came. Next is the evening part. So first is the morning part, next the mid-morning part, and then evening to night. What is that? From 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. you need to read chemistry. In inorganic, suppose Tuesday you have to read inorganic part, and Wednesday just flexible with the chapters, just go for organic part. Okay. Next is from 7:30 to 10 p.m. you need to read biology again. Here you just incorporate some easy chapters of biology or some informative chapters of biology, like plant kingdom, animal kingdom, structural organization in plants, animals, etc. So you just have to separate the time, you have to separate the chapter with time. Suppose you are just reading the informative chapter in Monday, then Wednesday again, then Friday again. Okay. And the last part, which is also very important, which is the 10:30 to 11:30 for MCQ. You can include MCQ, you can include time for MCQ in the all over the day. Suppose you are eating something or you are chilling for some time. You just have to think about the MCQ pattern, MCQ question. Okay. So this is the MCQ question preparation time or MCQ solving time. So you just have take it one question paper and then solve it, or practice paper, sample paper, and many more. Okay. So this is the Monday to Saturday timetable for your upcoming days, which is very much flexible, but you have to take it right from this time. I will need to study physics, from this time I need to study biology. So just routine I am giving to you, just follow it for your upcoming preparation. Okay. Next is the Sunday, which is the most effective day for your preparation. So Sunday you have to give, you just have to give the full mock test, which is 720 marks. So you have to study all over the thing in your weekdays, and then you just assist your preparation in the specific day, which is Sunday. So if you have to give the mock test, then you have that type of target, that type of fixed time to study, and also try to evaluate the particular thing. So this is one full mock test and the revision of whole. Whatever you are studying in the weekdays, you have to revise it in Sunday. You have to take time, you have to give time. Okay, and just revision. Okay, so this is the most, I think this is the most effective strategy or the timetable for NEET 2021. At least just maintain it for June months, and I will come with another routine in the July month. Okay, so just for 15 days to 16 days, just follow the routine. And obviously, before following the routine, you have to be more consistent, you have to be much more confident. Okay, that I need to crack NEET. If everyone can do it, why not me? Right? All the very best for your preparation, for your upcoming days. Just go for it and don't waste your time. This is it about today's video. I think it will be helpful for you. Just follow it and please do a comment if you are following or not. Okay? Till then, take care of yourself and also your family, and obviously if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So